Today we are going to learn about what is load distribution and how we can use throughput controller in JMeter and how it works basically. So first of all, load distribution is when we have different websites or when we have different domains, then we have to distribute our total load in some other different websites. Just like if we have 10 persons, then we want 5 person to be go in one website and 5% to go in another website. So like this distribution is called load distribution. Okay, and how we can achieve in JMeter. So here, in for load distribution, we can likely have like different methods. We can different people they use different methods. So here I just use one method in which I have created two different thread groups and created one home page in one thread group where I going in the thread one it will run like 7 users and the thread group two use like 3 users, so total is called like 10 users I'm going to use. And let's see how it works. So I just started running. So here you can see that home page is going to run for 7 users and this should be going for 3 users like as we implemented. But when we come to throughput controller, so the main reason we are using throughput controller is like, suppose we have like 100 200 300 users and we don't directly put the numbers over here. So in that scenario we will use throughput controller. So we are just disabling it and use our throughput controller where we just have to add the throughput controller and specify the, we have two option over like we can either get number of executions that we want from a complete controller that we complete that because here we have like 10 users and we want 70 users in one, 70% user in one throughput and 70% in 30% remaining in another. Then so we can define like percent execution and also we can define the numbers. Suppose let's start with percent, like here I want like 70% user in one throughput and remaining 30% in another throughput. So let's see the aggregate report. So here we can see the again home page at 7 and this page at 3 like as we discussed. And if we can change it, suppose we want 40% over here for registration page and remaining 60% in here. So even this can implement it. So you can see like Christian will run for 4 users because total number of count of users is 10. So 40% of 10 like 4. And similarly Hope will run for 6 users. So this is how throughput controller works.